How you doing? This is historic Thetford in Norfolk. And did you know there is a museum dedicated to Dad's army here? And why is that? Because the whole series was filmed here. Let's take a seat with my friend and see if he can explain a bit more. You stupid boy. Are you hungry? You were starving last night. The other one up there's not bothered. There you go, now you're getting a taste for it. That's the way, get it down here. Leave all this, leave a load of this dry stuff here now. Well, that's my good deed done for the day. Can't stand to see animals suffering or struggling, so it's easy enough to buy them food. I've been to so many places in the world where there's been no food and animals struggling, so it was easy to go to the shop there and just buy them a load of food and give them a good belly full, give them a good start, and hopefully somebody else will carry on and feed them because I've left it there for them. Good luck, guys. Well, look at this. What have we got here? We've got a family butcher's in my namesake. With, of course, our old friend Captain Mannering. Brilliant. Oh, looks tasty too. And who's this? Literary figure. Maybe. He's holding a book. Thomas Spain. Never heard of him. Feeling adventurous today, are we? Fair enough.
On holiday, man.
Oh, yeah, well, that's a good point. That American does look good, doesn't it? Pancakes, bacon, eggs, hash browns, maple. I mean, let's hope they can do it justice, because I've had American pancakes in America.
Me too.
Let's see. Hello. The Charleston,
like 20s.
all that, yeah, 20s and stuff, yeah. So we find ourselves in an Art Deco themed cafe.
In Norfolk.
In Thetford in Norfolk. I mean, who would have thought it? Exactly. The Art Deco hotspot of the UK is right here. There you go, look at those lampshades. Can't mistake it. I'm not as much of a coffee aficionado as you, but I do quite fancy one strangely today. Is the whole point of a latte that it has hot milk? Oh, look at this. Now that's what I'm talking about. This is an American breakfast, and so is that. So we've got pancakes, maple syrup, hash browns, 2 eggs, bacon. Yeah, not bad. And of course the old latte. Love a bit of maple syrup. It's really expensive to buy it. Let's give this a try. Let's see if the Americans know anything about proper food. Or at least food. Yes. I think they are onto something. I seem to have made Australia on the map. On my plate. Look at that. We've got Perth, Darwin, Cairns, Sydney, Adelaide and Melbourne, the other one down here. We've got the Great Ocean Road. We've got the Nullarbor Plain, which I haven't done yet. If you want a proper adventure, you want to cut across here somehow. That's probably certain death, but I might give that a miss. I love Australia. So this is the River Little Ouse. And we saw the source of this way back on the walk a couple of days ago. That little murky spring in the ground. It's amazing to follow a river from source. Not quite to sea, because it carries on and it goes out to sea up at near King's Lynn. On the sort of northern coast, I guess. It's a lovely little river. It's really clean and healthy looking. I'll give you a look from the bridge now. There you go, look at that.
Yeah.
Really beautiful, clear water. This is one nice river. If you want to play poo sticks, this is a place to do it. Or very at a slow pace. That's barely moving. What a lovely spot. Who'd have thought it? Thetford is actually really nice. Look at these guys. I mean, look at this. Perfect scenes. You've got your willow trees, your beautiful meandering river through the water, ducks, swans and geese living their best life, enjoying the summer sunshine. Everything's so perfect. You get your cock and balls on the pavement here. Just to add to the character of the place. Thetford, the land of rivers and cock and balls drawings. Come to Thetford. It's got it all. Culture and nature all in one. I wonder why they went for pineapples.
Yeah.
That's like empty, isn't it? Oh no, it's not. It's not one. And that's it. To mark the end of a wonderful walk from Dis to Thetford along the angled trail, we finish up at this point where we've got Button Island and the river Little Ouse here, Captain Mannering down there in the museum nearby, and here we are finishing it up, watching the kids doing a bit of fishing, which is nice. Look at that. Kids. None of them on their phones. Fantastic. Well, I hope that was interesting. Something different, wasn't it? Using 2 legs for a change instead of the old 2 wheels. We'll know why. Never mind, I'll be back out there exploring some other place at some point soon. I'll see you next time, somewhere on an adventure. See ya.